It actually kind of feels really good. Is that a stretch? People that do physical activity, is that like a stretch? I don't even know. Hey, welcome to the channel. Welcome to Beater Box Friday, which is a tradition here. Hi, I'm SB Mitch. Who? You've never heard of him, don't worry. Here's my info. You can follow me on Twitter and Instagram, and you can subscribe to the channel to see more great content like this. But you do you, and we'll be okay. Hi, pals. Every Friday we open a beater box, which is basically a mystery sneaker box full of shoes in different sizes and conditions. 99.9% of the time they're from Soul Supremacy. Guess what? So's this one, because Soul Supremacy does the best job. Check them out at soulsupremacy.com. Unfortunately, these boxes are available through a membership-only program, and memberships are closed. This box cost $925 plus $50 to ship it here to Chicago, Illinois, for a grand total of $975. Just a shade under a grand. It's a counter. Its name is Clarence. Follow along. It'll be letting you know how much each shoe is worth on the secondary market based on size, condition, and other various factors. Then we're going to break down the entire box at the end of the video, show you its perceived market value versus how much I paid, see how much possible profit there is here. But we got to open the box to do that. So shall we? So we shall. Hey, thanks everyone who stopped by on Tuesday. That was fun. I love doing live unboxings. It's a good time. Plus then I don't have to edit a video, which makes no sense because I have to edit this video on Friday too. So, all right, promising already. I see an SB box. See no loose pairs. It's good. First up, the Jordan 10. No, wait, the Jordan 13. It's an Air Jordan 13 Retro Low. These must be like Chicago or playoff 13 lows or something like that. I don't know. I mean, it's a Chicago-ish colorway. I don't know the official name. It's got some years on it though. This is a 2005 release, and it definitely looks wearable. There's just a little bit of outsole discoloration from age and a little bit of dirt. Other than that, not much of anything. Like very little toe box creasing. Cool looking pair. 13s are weird. I'm not a huge fan, but this is a great colorway. Very OG reminiscent. So here's your first pair out of size 10 Jordan 13 Low. Probably some kind of Chicago colorway, I guess. Hey, if you want to buy those shoes in there and they don't sell on Goat First, they will be available on my website today at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. That website is sbmitch.com. And also, the shoes from Tuesday's live unboxing will be up there too, so it's going to be a big update. Oh, there is a loose pair of shoes and they're hiding. It's ADIDAS. But it's an okay pair, I guess. It's a size US Men's 12. This is a collaboration with Pharrell Williams. This is one of the original trail hues. This is the Oreo colorway. It says Clouds and Moon on each respective shoe. These are worn. A little bit of discoloration on the boost. You can see it along the midsole and the by the outsole. But the outsole is this big chunky trail sole, which I think is really awesome because you get a lot of traction. But these are in really great shape. Actually, they're just no box and a little bit of a bigger size. I remember when these were going for like $700, $800 in like 2017 when they came out. My, how times have changed, but there you go, size 12. Trail hue in the Oreo colorway. It's actually not a bad shoe to get. I'm okay with that. It's heavy and the box is weird. It means it's a FOAMPOSITE. It's a size 12, Air FOAMPOSITE Pro. These are worn. I've always had a really easy time moving these. This is the Volt FOAMPOSITE Pro. Apparently these are retroing again very soon, so that's a little bit of a hit to these, but very cool colorway. I mean, it's just loud. It looks like you're wearing construction cone on your foot. Just a little bit of dirt, a little bit of outsole wear and discoloration, but it's a good shoe. And if I were to get any FOAMPOSITE size, anything above 11 is fine by me, because moving FOAMPOSITEs in small sizes is just very hard. So size 12, Volt FOAMPOSITE Pro. Another Jordan. It's a size 10, Jordan 2 Retro QF. Suggested retail price is $135. Our price $90. Oof. Nice. Size 10, Jordan 2. I think these are from the candy pack. No. I don't remember. These are really cool though. I mean, you got patent leather on the side. There's also suede, and this is an interesting colorway. I don't mind twos. I think twos are some of the most underrated Jordan silhouettes of all time. I think twos are a lot better than some of the ones that people like. But these are lightly worn. I mean, there's a full Jumpman in there. You can see the outsole. Not much discoloration at all. I'm not 100% sure these are from the candy pack, but I could be right. I don't know. Really cool colorway. Size 10, Jordan 2. More Jordan. Size 9.5. Jordan 3 Retro OG. I was expecting black cement 3s. We got a pair of true blue 3s. This is a very, very cool colorway. These came out in 2016. Really good shape. Just a little bit of discoloration here on the toe cap. A little bit of star loss. The outsole is in overall good shape. It does have a hang tag. That's very rare to see on any Jordan 3 or 4. I love 3s. I think they're super comfortable and very underrated too. But there you go, size 10. True blue 3s. Looks like a Nike by you. It says Nike by Cody, size 12. I think, is this the Cactus flea market, whatever stupid collaboration? These are kind of wild. It's a blazer mid. These are just goofy looking, but they are dead stock, so that's okay. A lot of people created a lot of these. These had mega hype when they first came out, and then all of a sudden, which is no surprise there, but it's a very fuzzy looking shoe, kind of a weird colorway, but they're dead stock and size 12. Can't really complain about that. Thanks, Cody. Good job on the shoe, whatever it is. Oh, geez, we have a Nike SB and a 700. Which one am I gonna do? Size 12, YEEZY Boost 700. It's a V2. Okay, these are worn. They're in good shape. I believe this colorway is called Geode, maybe? Yeah, Geode. Okay, cool. So they're in good shape. I mean, it's kind of like a chocolate brown overall monochromatic Yeezy shoe. A big shock there. Good enough shape. You can see the outsole. Not much wear, not much dirt. Just needs a good cleanup and it'll be good to go. Size 12, good size on a Yeezy. And apparently 700s are very comfortable. So there you go. All right. Bread and butter. Ah, it's a blazer. Size 12, Blazer Low GT Quick Strike. So these are lightly worn, but great shape. This is a collaboration with Supreme on the Blazer Low. You can see the Supreme box logo there on the heel there. Supreme branding on the insole. The other one says Sup. These are in good shape. It says FTW on the back, which as you know means fettuccine. That's wonderful. It's a weird colorway, but it is a Supreme collaboration. Probably not a whole bunch of value on these, but it is a Blazer SB, so it does have Zoom Air on the insole, which is very cool. Just a little bit more comfortable, but yeah, not a bad shoe. Can't really complain about this. There's your last shoe out, a Blazer Supreme collaboration. Interesting. I think this box is really good. There's a lot of good variety. It's a very fun open. But let's see what kind of money there is in here. This was a decent box. I'm not upset about it at all. I think there's a lot of pretty easily movable models in here. Really good variety. That's a really key thing about, I mean, it might not affect the value of the box, but it makes the box opening a lot more fun when there's a good amount of variety. So the worn pairs are going to be cleaned, disinfected, and then I'm going to take very beautiful pictures of them. Put them on my website today at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. You can find that website at sbmitch.com. They will be available for purchase as long as they don't sell on Goat first, but that can happen. So, hey, thanks for taking the time to watch this video. I appreciate it. Thanks again to everybody who stopped by on Tuesday. Much love among the pals. Till next time, take care of each other. Remember to keep sneakers fun because they're supposed to be fun. Bye-bye.